Hello friends, so today I am going to review about this Pioneer system. So let me turn on this first. So it's the home button. Once you press it, it gets live. So these are the controls which is placed on this system. So this is for volume up and down, it's a home button, and it's the mute button, and there is a mic placement here, and you can put your CD here. And so these are radio, disc, USB, Bluetooth function, aux, and a camera view. So you can see your rear view side through this camera. There is one output for that, and there are some stuff that I need to show you. It is, let me go to the settings. So here you can see steering wheel control. So this particular set gives steering mounted control. So you can either connect it with an adapter or no adapter. So no adapter is the wireless connection. I don't know how this works, but once you press it, it asks about the car, so which particular brand you are having. So right now I'm in a Japanese car, it's a Honda, so it's searching. So it's keep on setting or something it has shown. So volume up, mute, so call, accept and decline. So once I press it, it just scan. So it's telling me to press that button for 1 second, but this particular car doesn't have steering mounted control, so I'm going to cancel it. So let me go back. So either you can connect this with the adapter or with this wireless connection. So with the adapter they have a port that given at the rear side of it, so through that you can connect it. Okay, let me go back. Okay, let me on the system. Okay, so additionally they have given a remote for that. So by this you can control the volume or accept or decline your call and do a lot of stuff with this remote. I have a pen drive now, so I'm going to play a audio for you. So here is the USB port. I'm going to open it and to insert it. And there is a aux port which is right behind the screen. So we have to put the cable and need to take it at front. Okay, now it's reading. Okay, first of all, we go to the audio. First, let us see the effect of this system, how it performs. Okay, the sound quality is surprising that we can adjust the sound. Go to setting, sound. So these are the custom EQ that I have set, but there are a lot of options here. Either you can press it or you can do it by your own by customization. There are two options they have given. So custom 1, custom 2. So this custom I have set. It's the flat. So let me close it. Okay, here are this is the list button. So once you touch it, you show the list. Okay, now I'm going to show another one function. So fader function. So by this you can control your speaker system. So now it's given to 4 speakers. So either you can hear the song at the front side or the rear side, so you can adjust whatever you want. Okay, let me go to the video section now. Video. So video quality isn't that great because it's not a HD screen, and there are some limitation for this video format. The video format that works only with the DivX and MPEG-4. So for that you need the resolution of 720 into 408. So on that resolution it runs in good way. Okay, let me play one. I have a DivX format. So this is in the DivX format. Let me play it. Okay, the audio quality is phenomenal, but the video isn't that great. Okay, once you download any HD songs, it's over 1080p. So that thing does not run here because this only it perform in DivX format. So you have to download a separate software on your laptop or your desktop. So you have to convert it from some other like MP4 to DivX format. Okay, let me stop it. And here you can adjust the picture. There are picture adjustment, so you can either increase the brightness, contrast, color, or whatever you want. And here there is another option. So here is the theme. So here 5 options are available: bright blue, bright red, orange, green, and sky blue. So red pretty good, so I have kept it. And background, it doesn't give or it doesn't feel great, so I have set one. All right. So Bluetooth function. So here is the Bluetooth function. So once you press, so this is the it shows the cell phone, your mobile device, so which is connected. Right now I have connected my phone, so it shows like this Galaxy A9 Pro. 3 device can be connected. So it has auto connect facility. So when your device is connected, and if you are going to your home by taking your device, when you come back, it automatically connects. Now it's in off position. When I turn on, it gets on. Bluetooth memory clear. So when you connected 3 devices into it, and if you want to connect one more device, you have to clear the memory. So by pressing this button, you can clear everything and you can connect your new device. Okay, that's all about it, and nothing big that we can talk about this device, because this device is like basic. There is nothing big inside. And camera view, I need to show you that. Once I put the reverse gear, yeah, it takes its time to come, and it has guidelines. It has guidelines, but which are not adaptive. Okay, that's all. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Here they have written that model number. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope it's the clear review about this particular system. Okay, thank you. I'll meet you in the next video.